In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trash can in Otter.ai. By the end, you'll know exactly where deleted notes live, how to quickly locate something you tossed, and how to either bring it back or clear it out for good. Start by heading to Otter.ai. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're in the home view. On the left side, look for the For You section. Inside that area, you'll see an option labeled Trash. Go ahead and click Trash. This opens the dedicated space where Otter keeps the items you've removed from your main workspace so you can review them before they disappear permanently. At the top of the trash page, you can use the search or ask field to narrow things down. Type a keyword from the meeting title, a unique phrase you remember saying, or even the name of a participant mentioned in the transcript. The more specific your terms, the faster Otter can surface the right item. If you don't get results, clear the search and try a shorter keyword or a different phrase you know appears in the conversation. When you find the item you want to act on, hover over it and click the checkbox to the left of its title. That checkbox lets you select one item or multiple at once if you're cleaning up a batch. Selecting is important because it enables the action bar, so you can decide what to do next without opening each transcript. With your item or items selected, you have two choices. Click Restore to return the content to your main Otter workspace. Restored notes will reappear alongside your other conversations, so you can edit, share, or export them as usual. If you're absolutely sure you no longer need something, choose Delete Forever. Otter will ask you to confirm, and once you do, that content is permanently removed and can't be recovered. A couple of quick tips to keep you efficient and safe. Trash is meant as a temporary holding area, so items are automatically cleared after a retention period set by Otter. If you're trying to recover something time-sensitive, check trash sooner rather than later. Before you click Delete Forever, double-check the title or preview text to make sure you're not removing the wrong conversation. And if you don't immediately see trash under For You, expand the sidebar or scroll. On smaller screens, it can be tucked away. That's it. Go to Otter, open Trash from the For You section, search if you need to, select with the checkbox, and then restore or permanently delete. You're now in full control of your deleted notes.